You said, yeah, and then you turn right around and tell my officers, although I had a taser, I did not use it. Why would you screw up like that? So who did you lie to? My officers or me? 22-41243 is now called. And you were here with your attorney, Mr. Adams, and the state's attorney. Earlier, you pleaded guilty to the second-degree felony of robbery.
Yes,
A pre-sentence report has been prepared. If the parties had an opportunity to review it,
yes, sir.
any corrections or changes to it?
No, sir.
It's made a part of the record for all purposes. I didn't understand. Understand what happened here. I'm reading the pre-sentence report and it doesn't make any sense at all.
Yes, Your Honor. The victim in this case advised that she was, her neighbors were going out of town. She was going over to feed the animals. That her ex boyfriend, who she has a child with, showed up while she had left the baby in the car with the car running at the neighbor's house.
Yeah. So far, that's what I'm reading. Yeah,
But he shows up, tries to get her in the vehicle and take the baby. He pulls out a taser, and she grabs the baby. They kind of fight over it, and he tases her. She said it did hurt a little bit, but then he takes her vehicle and flees, and he was not apprehended till sometime later, where he went, I believe, somewhere in northern Texas. He had also to mention that I don't believe she had saw the defendant over a year at this point, so it's kind of out of nowhere where he showed up.
that's okay. All of that I understand, but that's not what the indictment says. You didn't say anything about what the indictment says. It says cause bodily injury by striking the victim with the automobile.
This was, Your Honor, it was re-indicted.
It was.
Yes, Your Honor, to a robbery. It was initially filed as an aggravated assault and cause number 22-41243. It was re-indicted to cause number 23-41313, which is a robbery. I apologize, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm following you now. So
Yes,
we've
sir.
got 41313. Okay, I understand now. You pleaded guilty here earlier.
Yes, I did.
Pre-sentence report was prepared by the probation office. Everybody's had a chance to review that,
Yes, Your Honor.
and there are no changes or objections to it?
No, none from the state.
All right. Then it's made a part of the record for all purposes. Anything you want to say?
Yes, Judge. And we wanted to point out, Judge, on the PSI on page 4.
Yeah.
I think one of the biggest things in his advantage is the screener.
No, let's walk back. Page 1.
Right. He's talking about the.
Let's see.
I see. I know.
I told her to get in the car, and even though I did have a taser, I did not use it.
Never used.
Well, isn't that interesting? Because you pleaded guilty under oath to intentionally and knowingly causing bodily injury to the complainant by tasing Ashley Jurek. So who did you lie to? My officers or me? You can't have it both ways. You're not going to play games with the court. All right. Can you explain that?
That Monday.
I just.
Lied. You lied somewhere. Here, you lied under oath. Then when we put you under oath, when you said I plead guilty, are you pleading guilty voluntarily to all the elements of the crime? When you said yeah, and then you turn right around and tell my officers, although I had a taser, I did not use it. Why would you screw up like that? Why would you lie?
I just copped out to it because I thought maybe it would be a great deal.
Say that again.
I don't really understand. Like I just
Wait. Do you understand
I
The
did.
truth versus a lie? Are you telling me you committed perjury when you pleaded guilty then? Which is another criminal action.
No, sir.
You committed perjury when you pleaded guilty to this crime, which says you tasered her. That's what you swore under oath.
I did those crimes, sir.
Is that right?
Yes, sir, I did those crimes.
So you didn't tell the probation office the truth?
I apologize. I'm sorry.
All right. Anything else?
Judge, the reason why I was going to ask you to
Go ahead.
consider giving them probation, as I was saying earlier, I think the good thing is that the score was a low risk level. So I thought that's something positive, that he's not going to be a big risk if he's on probation.
I know. It begs the question, so why is he here? He's such a low risk.
Because I guess with the TRAS screener,
How many times have you been to prison?
looking,
I'm not talking to you. I hope I know how many times you've been to prison.
well,
I'm talking to him.
Too.
Why would you even answer that question?
I'm trying to help him out. I'm trying to help.
All right.
And I was just looking. I see.
Oh, you look, the last time you went 4 years,
Yes, sir.
right?